Have you ever wanted to sell something online, like your expert knowledge in the form of a course or coaching, and you aren't sure how to make it happen? What if you could make it happen in less than 30 days? Would that get you interested? Hey, Andrew Woodward here, and on this channel we focus on the best online marketing strategies that grow your wealth, build a long-term business, and allow you to work from anywhere using nothing more than your laptop and a Wi-Fi connection. And on today's video, I'm going to show you how I launched one of my businesses in under 30 days with this awesome process that costs just $100, and how you can do it too. If you've been thinking that now is the time to launch your course, to convert your knowledge into an income stream, well, you're right, it is. The online knowledge industry is growing at a rapid rate. It's already worth billions and is expected to be worth even more in the next 5 years. So yes, now is a great time to convert your knowledge into an online income or to join the online industry. And I'm going to show you the best way I know how to do it that works and has worked for thousands of others. The thing is, when I first launched my online business in the money management and investing space, I used a far more complicated method and made life difficult for myself. So when I wanted to launch a new business this year, I knew I had to make it easier and to use a system that would get results quicker. So what is this system and process that I used? Well, it's called the One Funnel Away Challenge by Russell Brunson and a few of his friends. And after having spent 5 years in the online space, I have to say this is the best way to get your course or program up and earning cash in less than 30 days. Let's take a look at what's involved in the challenge and why I highly recommend you join me in taking it. Oh, and if you use the link in the description to join, I've got a mega bonus package of resources that will support the rapid growth of your business. The first part of the challenge is daily training from Russell Brunson himself. In short and sharp, 5 to 10 minute lessons, he outlines what you'll be working on and why in the tasks of the day. These trainings might be short, but that's what makes them so good. You don't get overwhelmed with information and you can just focus on what you need to do for that day. And remember, this is a 30-day challenge. And sure, there are some catch-up days, but the foundation of the system is to make incremental progress each day. And Russell makes this easy to achieve by getting you to focus on small steps each day. And each subsequent day builds on the previous day. The second feature of the challenge is how the systematic progress takes you through the core elements of an online business. What I mean is that you start out identifying your market, your ideal customer, and you work through designing your business from ideal customer, niche market, copy, pages, how to attract your ideal customer, and then putting it all together in a way that works. It's the simplicity of the system that makes the challenge so effective. By taking each core element 1 week at a time, you grow out your business simply and effectively in a month. Think about that. Think about where you can be in a month, starting from scratch. Pretty amazing, right? Now, when I first started in the online world, I had no idea about how to write words in a way that would speak to my audience, that would convince them to buy from me. It was a completely new skill I didn't know I needed. And I spent thousands on courses to learn how to write copy. I learned from some of the masters in the industry, both here in Australia and the US. It took me years to get comfortable with the art of copywriting. Well, you won't have to do that because in the 30-day challenge, you get daily access to one of those copywriting masters, Jim Edwards. In short video lessons, he walks you through the copy elements related to the tasks you're doing for the day and teaches you an incredible skill in a simple to follow and understand manner. And to make it even better, he gives you access to tools that do the heavy lifting for you. You can plug in your key terms into copywriting formulas, and before you know it, you have copy written for your pages that will resonate with your intended audience. The fourth part of the challenge that I found really useful was a few times a week you got an additional training from Russell's former #1 funnel builder, Stephen Larson. Stephen's role in the challenge is to get you motivated, to show you examples, to coach you how to implement the daily tasks and break it down into simple chunks that helps you get it done. Now, these training videos are a little longer, but worth every minute and a great support to your journey through the challenge. And the final element that I want to talk about is the page design and setup training. Obviously, if you've never built a funnel or web pages required to sell something online, then this is an area of the challenge that can be scary. But here's the thing, you'll be given a sales funnel that has been designed and proven to work by Russell's team. All you have to do is personalize it and make it about your product, and you have a working funnel that will make sales when you send traffic to it. And to make understanding how to make the necessary changes easy, you have access to Julie to guide you. In short videos that aren't required every day, but are there when you need them, Julie shows you how to use the pages, where to make the changes, how to connect the steps of the funnel, and how to collect money when you sell your product. Now, this funnel is of course built in ClickFunnels, so you will need a ClickFunnels account. And you can get that using my link below, starting with a free 14-day trial. So you can build out the pages and see how it works while you do the challenge, and decide how to proceed when you're ready. And as I mentioned, if you use my link below to join the challenge, you'll get my mega bonus package, which includes my challenge notes, the tips and tricks on how to get the most out of the challenge, what not to do, and what to do and when to save you time and money, and a bunch of great additional resources to support your business growth. Well, I hope today's video was helpful for you and showed you how you can take advantage of the amazing One Funnel Away challenge to join the growing online industry and start making an online income in the next 30 days. So let's do a quick recap of the key features of the challenge. So first up, you get daily training from Russell himself. Second was the systematic progress through the core elements of an online business. Third is copywriting training from Jim Edwards, the master copywriter. 4 is expert support from Stephen Larson. And finally, page design and setup with Julie Stoizen. Now, as I mentioned, if you want to get started building an online business, click the link in the description to access the One Funnel Away challenge and my mega bonus package for just $100. And let's get you earning an income online in the next 30 days. So thanks for watching today's training. Don't forget to join the challenge, to get my mega bonus package and one-on-one support from me for 30 days to ensure you succeed. Click the link in the description and let's get you started. And to continue to get these free training videos, make sure you click on the subscribe button and the little bell to get notified when a new training is released. And do me a favor, click the like button and leave me a comment below. Let me know what you thought of the training, and I'll read all the comments and reply to everyone. And don't forget to get started with your own online business. Click the link below to get the One Funnel Away challenge and my mega bonus package that includes 30 days of one-on-one support so you can get started the right way today.